I hope everybody realizes how lucky you are to be in Shiba Inu right now. You know, we've gone from this point where everybody was complaining and saying, oh yeah, whales stood in the way of SHIB price moving to the upside. Oh, supply is the reason that price isn't moving to the upside. And we've now finally entered this point where, frankly, nothing is standing in the way of Shiba Inu moving to the upside. This is the fun part of the market cycle. I'm Luckside. Welcome to the channel. If you guys are new or haven't already, make sure that subscribe button down below, hit that bell again. It's free to do. It'll keep you updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. So over the past few months, we've done a very good job of breaking out of a lot of the negative sentiment. In fact, Shiba Inu during this time has one of the best charts in all of crypto. This is a perfect reversal here. Kind of actually almost a little bit of a cup and handle, right? Cup, handle, and then now we're starting to move. And looking at Shiba Inu here on the short term on this 1 hour chart, guys, this is about the healthiest breakout we can see. It is all looking absolutely perfect. We're into that break box right now. And this is our target, 4020. The second we breach that, excitement may ensue. We may start to see some of these pushes to the upside. This isn't a guarantee. This isn't financial advice or anything like that, but we're above all of our moving averages. We're showing a lot of momentum. You guys can see, obviously, my indicator has flashed multiple buy zone opportunities here on the charts. And even right now, it's with our correction here, still above 4019 at the time of filming this video. That's still like a 7% move. So again, if you guys want to check that out, there is a link in the description below to do so. But we are gearing up for something much bigger than this. BTC currently is still broken out. This is the longest breakout BTC has had from this trend. Anytime. We've had multiple breaches of this, right? But never before have we been above there for this long, setting new higher highs, higher lows, on the verge of actually breaching 68.5. We did breach it yesterday. We came back down, but on the verge of breaching that and making a stab at 71K. This is the full-on market recovery. And remember, this is the exciting time. This is when everybody starts to pile back into the market. This is the moment where we actually see, I should have had this pulled up. This is the moment where we start to see some of that capital that's sitting on the sidelines here currently start to flow back into the space. We've talked about this USDT dominance chart before and what we've historically seen here. Guys, this could not have played out any. I actually haven't even checked this in days, and look at what's happening. This is the last time we saw this dominance drop off in terms of USDT, and it's playing out the exact same way. All right, look at that. Look at that. Crazy, right? Crazy how all these market cycles tend to be exactly the same. And what you're seeing here, what this USDT dominance drop off is those people that were just kind of waiting. Oh my gosh, what's happening here? Are we going to drop further? They start to flow back in. They start to freak out. FOMO sets in. Assets start taking huge ground versus BTC. Now, again, this isn't a guarantee. Nobody knows where capital is going to flow to, but seeing as Shiba Inu went on one of the most massive runs in all of crypto in this early part of the bull market cycle, people flocking to Shiba Inu that have been in the space, people flocking to Shiba Inu that were outside the space. What do we think is going to happen as capital starts flowing back in, as Shiba Inu remains one of the best performers? For example, right now, Shiba Inu from this bottom is still up about, what, 73%? I mean, that's a pretty significant move, guys. In a time where, frankly, the market hasn't taken a lot of ground, Shib'S looked like one of the most resilient, one of the strongest, and one of the I guess, strongest communities as well. We're at this exciting point in the market. I don't even need to tell you guys not to fudge yourselves out of your positions, because right now everything is looking fantastic. Hope for no surprises over the weekend. Hopefully we have a nice steady couple days. I'm okay with trading sideways, maybe even consolidating slightly. But if we remain resilient, like I talked about in my ADA video earlier today, and we get institutional buying that takes place again next week to the rate that we did this week, all signs are pointing one direction, and that is up. So I'm curious, does anybody else still have their long positions open? I still have mine open in terms of ADA. I still have mine open in terms of Shiba Inu, because I'm expecting that we're at this point now where the market is really going to take some of these big steps forward. Shiba Inu ready to go on some massive explosive runs. Again, if you guys do want to check out Margex, there is a referral link in the description below. Again, you can earn up to $10,000 in deposit and trading bonuses, no KYC. I've had people ask me what my targets are here. It would not surprise me if Shiba Inu is above 4020 by the end of this month and really trying to make a stab towards 4028. Guys, that is a what percentage move from here? That is about a 50% move. So this isn't a guarantee. I'm not from the future. I don't have a crystal ball, but you're finally starting to see everything come together and reflect in price. And I'm sure you guys are probably seeing that happen in your bags too. So hopefully you've taken these opportunities to accumulate, because things are only going to get more exciting here in the very near term. So appreciate you guys. Have a great day. Show your love below. Let me know your thoughts. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.